Imagine pouring your heart, time, and money into your small business, only to lose everything overnight because of one overlooked mistake. Most small business owners don't realize the hidden gaps in their insurance coverage until disaster strikes, but by then, it's too late. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the biggest insurance mistakes that could silently destroy your business, and how to fix them before they cost you everything. Did you know that 40% of small businesses will file an insurance claim at some point? From property damage to liability lawsuits, the risks are real, but here's the kicker: most small business owners don't think about insurance until disaster strikes. Are you making the same mistake? Welcome to Untold Angle. And please, join me as I dig deep into the top insurance mistakes small business owners make and see if I can spot them all before it's too late. Stay tuned till the end to uncover the hidden gems that can take your business to the next level. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with others who could benefit from these insights. Starting and running a small business is no small feat. You pour your time, money, and passion into building something meaningful, but one overlooked detail can bring everything crashing down: insurance. Many small business owners either skip it, underinsure, or don't review their policies regularly, leaving their businesses vulnerable to costly setbacks. Let's break down the most common insurance mistakes that could cost you everything, and how to avoid them. One of the biggest challenges small business owners face is navigating the complex world of insurance. It's not just about buying a policy and forgetting about it, it's about understanding what you truly need, what's covered, and what's at stake if you don't have the right protection. Here's why so many business owners struggle with insurance. Overwhelming choices and confusing policies. Insurance policies are filled with legal jargon and complex clauses. Many business owners don't have the time, or patience, to go through the fine print, leading to misunderstandings about what is and isn't covered. False sense of security. Some business owners assume that because they have a policy, they're fully protected. But here's the catch: not all policies cover everything. For example, general liability insurance won't cover cyber attacks, and property insurance won't cover business interruptions. Gaps in coverage can leave businesses exposed to massive financial risks. Reactive instead of proactive approach. Many small businesses only think about insurance after something goes wrong. By then, it's too late. Insurance is designed to protect against the unexpected, but if you wait until disaster strikes to take it seriously, you could find yourself facing lawsuits, financial losses, and even bankruptcy. Budget constraints and prioritization issues. Let's be honest, when running a small business, every dollar counts. Business owners often prioritize immediate expenses like payroll, inventory, and marketing over long-term risk management. But ignoring insurance doesn't mean avoiding risk. It just means taking on all the risk yourself. The reality is, insurance isn't just a legal requirement or an added expense, it's an essential safety net that can mean the difference between survival and failure when disaster strikes. It's tempting to push it aside in favor of more pressing business concerns. But here's the harsh reality: ignoring insurance doesn't save you money, it leaves your business open to financial ruin. Exploration/development. Here are some of the most common insurance mistakes small business owners make. Thinking it's too expensive. Many assume insurance is a luxury, not a necessity. But paying a small premium now is far more affordable than covering massive damages out of pocket later. Believing it won't happen to me. Disasters and lawsuits aren't rare. From natural disasters to customer injuries, the unexpected happens every day, and no business is immune. Failing to regularly review policies. Businesses evolve, but insurance policies often stay stagnant. What worked when you started may not cover your current risks. Misunderstanding coverage options. Business owners often pick the cheapest policy without understanding what it covers, and what it doesn't. Let me tell you about two business owners, Sarah and Mike, both facing similar challenges but with drastically different outcomes. Sarah, a boutique owner, decided to skip insurance in order to save a few $100s on premiums. Everything was going well until a pipe burst in her store, flooding the entire space. She didn't have coverage for water damage, nor did she have business interruption insurance to cover the downtime. As a result, she was forced to close her boutique for 6 weeks while she paid $15,000 out of pocket for repairs and lost revenue. The financial strain nearly wiped out her business, and her savings were drained faster than she ever imagined. In the end, Sarah learned the hard way that ignoring insurance cost her far more than she ever saved by skipping it. Now, let's look at Mike, a cafe owner who took the time to set up business interruption insurance and property insurance when he first opened his doors. A year later, disaster struck. A fire broke out in the kitchen, severely damaging the equipment and forcing the cafe to close temporarily. Fortunately for Mike, his policy covered the repairs and the lost income. Within a month, his cafe was back up and running without missing a beat, and he didn't have to dip into his savings or face financial hardship. Thanks to insurance, Mike was able to keep his business afloat and recover from a potentially devastating situation. The contrast between Sarah and Mike highlights the real-world impact of insurance decisions. Insurance isn't just about protecting your assets, it's about securing your future. For Sarah, skipping insurance was a costly mistake, but for Mike, it was the safety net that ensured he could weather the storm without losing everything. These stories emphasize just how critical it is to plan ahead and invest in the right coverage for your business. In the world of small business, the unexpected is always around the corner, and the best way to prepare is by ensuring your business is properly protected. Skipping insurance may feel like saving money today, but it's a ticking time bomb for tomorrow. Small businesses are constantly exposed to risks, lawsuits, natural disasters, cyber attacks, and more. Yet, too many entrepreneurs believe that, "it won't happen to me," only to realize when it's too late that their business isn't protected. In the fast-paced world of business, it's easy to overlook the importance of insurance, but it's one of the most crucial safety nets you can have. Insurance isn't just a luxury or a legal obligation, it's a vital tool for preserving your business's future. Whether it's protecting your physical assets, covering unexpected lawsuits, or safeguarding against operational downtime, the right insurance provides peace of mind and a financial cushion in times of crisis. The reality is, businesses that are underinsured or lack sufficient coverage often face financial ruin when disaster strikes. A few $100s a year in premiums can protect you from losing thousands, if not more. So, while it might seem like an unnecessary expense right now, the potential cost of ignoring it could be far greater in the long run. Remember, your business is an investment. It's worth protecting. Take the time to assess your risks, review your current insurance, and consult with experts to ensure you're fully covered. The peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for the worst is invaluable. By addressing these insurance needs now, you're not only securing your business, but you're also giving yourself the freedom to focus on growth, innovation, and success without the constant worry of what might happen if something goes wrong. Don't wait for a disaster to hit, act today to make sure your business is protected for tomorrow. Take action today, review your insurance coverage, assess your risks, and consult an expert to ensure your business is protected. If you're unsure where to start, explore bundled policies that offer comprehensive coverage at a better price. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever faced a situation where insurance could have saved you from a major loss? Or are you still deciding whether it's worth the investment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience might help another business owner make the right decision. If you found this video valuable, like, share, and subscribe to Untold Angle for more expert insights. Watch our next video for smart financial strategies to safeguard your business and maximize growth.